Program Stop on the black line. In the last video, we found out how to make Edison follow a line. In this video, we will create a program where Edison drives forward until it reaches a black line. Also use worksheet number 14. Edison's line tracking sensor can be successfully used to determine the lightness or darkness of the surface Edison is currently on. For this, Edison has 4 special movement blocks that can be set up for white or black surface. Let's go to edblocksapp.com and open the menu section Drive. Move the slider to the right, and here we will find the movement blocks that are dependent on the surface the robot is on. Drive forward on white surface, drive backward on white surface, turn right on white surface, and turn left on white surface. All these blocks have a triangle button which can be used to change the settings of the block. Let's open the Drive Left block and take a look at which are the other options. Turn left. Turn left if there is light coming from the left. Turn left if there is light coming from the right. Turn left if you are on white surface. Turn left if you are on black surface. Let's create a program where Edison stops if it sees a black line. There are many different options for this, but first we will need a white surface that ends with a black line. For this we can use the play field, just a black line drawn on white paper, or the track on worksheet number 14. The first simple way is to take the drive until on white block. Edison will stop itself once the white surface runs out. Uploading, testing. The other possibility is to reconfigure the block so that Edison is just driving forward. In this case, the surface doesn't have to be white anymore. Now we will need a block which could understand if Edison is on black line. This block exists and it's located in the menu section Wait Until. Let's choose the block with a clap on it. Then we will reconfigure it from the drop-down menu and select a picture with the robot on a black line. Now we need a block that would tell Edison to stop. This block is in the menu section Drive and it has a red hexagonal sign on it. Uploading, testing. Worked as well as the other one. Let's now make the program a bit more interesting by playing beep sound after stopping. We can find this from this menu section Outputs. It's the block with the trumpet on it. It worked! Let's see how well can Edison recognize colors. For example, colors other than black are also considered dark. My playfield and also worksheet number 14 have the colors red, green and blue. I'll activate the program and drive over them one by one. Let's see what colors Edison stops on and what colors it doesn't. Now it's your turn. Complete the challenge on the screen and see you in the next video. Challenge. Go to the website edblocksapp.com. Use a black marker or tape to create a black line at least 1 cm wide. You can also use the printed out playfield. In 2 different ways, make a program where the robot drives on light surface until it sees a black line. Now try the opposite. Make the robot drive on black paper until it reaches a white line. Did you try both variants? You can also recreate the program on the screen. You can remember what you've learned better if you print out and solve worksheet number 14.